Hey, Andrew from Ozito. Today I'm going to go through some tool tips to do with planers. The first one is, before we start looking at this planer, make sure it's not plugged in. On the bottom of all Ozito planers, you can spin this around until you find a nice sharp blade. Don't run your finger along that. It's reversible, so if your blade is dulling, or maybe you've run into a nail, which you should try and avoid, you can undo this with a few Allen keys, flip it over, and you've got a nice clean sharp edge again. On this Ozito planer, there's a retractable foot here, so just in case you put it down the bench while it's still spinning, it's not going to start cutting into your bench. This groove here makes it really easy to do bevel type planing, and you plane along and guide it right along the edge of that timber, sit it in the groove and push it all the way through. On all Ozito planers, there'll be a chute to push all those shavings. Make sure that's pointing away from your body. When you're using a planer, it is super important to just take off a little bit at a time so you can progressively get down to the level you're after. While using the planer, make sure your body's in a good position so you can get nice, steady, long, even strokes with the planer. And now you've finished your job, it's important to give your tool a nice good dust off, a bit of blowout like this, or get some compressed air and get rid of all that dust. Store it in your shed and it's ready to go for the next project.